This video in particular is going to be the end table. And so we're gonna get started on that. So that's it for all of the cuts for the end table here. We finished cutting, sanding, and all that. So what's next is assembly or painting and staining. Not quite sure what we're gonna do first yet, but we'll be doing that tomorrow or in a few seconds on video. Whew, it's hot in here. All right, so what I'm gonna be doing for the end table top is using a dowel system where I stick half of a dowel into one of the boards and then half into the other board. So that way it just helps support each plank after plank, and also re-supporting with some 2-inch or 2.5-inch Kreg screws. Now it's time to apply some wood filler to the end table. I ripped the 2x6s on top as you just previously saw, so the table would be completely flat. There's a few small gaps in the holes within the knots and things like that, and I just want this table to be super smooth. Now it's time to get to sanding, and I'll start with this 80 grit here so it's a little bit more rough. Then I'll hit it with a 120 grit and then 220 for the finishing sanding. And that's really all it takes to make an end table like this. If y'all like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe to my channel. It's a free way for you to show your support. I'll catch y'all on the next one. Oh, and if y'all are interested in building this coffee table as well, y'all can check that out right here in this link above or down in the description. See you later.